I hope the trick worked well. See, so I removed off this bolt. On that camera is flash camera is on. See, I removed the bolt from there, yeah, and this button also from both the sides. Okay, from both the sides I removed it. So let's hope for the best. I'm pulling it up, trying to pull it up. I have to remove the whole of it. See, it's coming up, huh? Let me try more. Yeah, the reason why it was not coming off was there is one more bolt below. I didn't see that. On the other side you have only one bolt, on this side you have two. So let me remove that. Bolt is actually a bit tight. So took off this bolt also. Let's lift it up. Oh yeah, mission success. So it opened up. So the battery terminal is actually disconnected for the last 6 months. So let me pull this off and let me disconnect it so I can open the whole bonnet. So mission success. All I could open is this much. I connected the battery terminal. So let me go for the ignition on. It's a beautiful key of Ford Icon, legendary. So, wow, 6 months, guys. 6 months. It's been 6 months. This car. Whatever people say, a Ford is a Ford. It's awesome. See, I couldn't even check it because the bonnet is stuck. So still, just connected the terminal. After 6 months, the car is on. That's how JD Car Customs maintains their cars. Okay, so I am proudly saying that. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you, and yeah, take care and follow, like, share and subscribe. That's the first time I'm saying it in my channel. So but if you guys like it, it will be a motivation for me, so please like it. Yeah, thank you.